A small white kitten lived alone on the street. She had no home and no one to care for her. Every day, she watched children go to school. She wished for a family and a warm place. One rainy day, she heard a baby crying. A tiny kitten was stuck inside a water drain. The water was rising and the baby was scared. The little cat called for help, but no one came. Still, she did not give up. She bravely went into the cold water. Step by step, she moved closer. She held the baby kitten and pulled it out. The baby kitten was safe now. A little girl saw everything. She was surprised by the cat's bravery. The girl took both kittens home. She gave them milk and a warm blanket. For the first time, the cat felt loved. She was no longer alone. Moral: even a small heart can do big things.